Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have AXS daily update. We are going to try and identify the top right here with you. And of course guys, before we begin into our technical analysis, make sure to join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. You can cancel anytime you like and only 50 people can join in because I don't have time for more. You get automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos and many more. Also join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. And we are a community that grows together and we help each other every day. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel guys if you like the content. So let's go now to our technical analysis. Here is the AXS graph. You can see here on the trading view in the 4-hour frame. And how can we identify the top? First of all guys, you know, on my settings on the Fibonacci retracement, I have some numbers including the minus 0.236, minus 0.5 and minus 0.618, right? And if you draw your Fibonacci from the previous bottom, let's see here guys, before I draw actually, let's see where was the bottom before we start this impulsive wave, the previous actually impulsive wave. And we found it around here guys, okay, 23rd February, you can see here. And if I draw my Fibonacci retracement from this top, from this bottom, and I actually go guys, I actually go into the top that we formed, you can see here, there we go, right, easy. Then you can see that the minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level is exactly at where we are right now. Okay, so definitely guys, we should keep an eye on this, on the 13.7, 13.8. We closed almost guys at 13.8, and now we want to see if we can go even higher. You can see that on this 4-hour frame candle, the bullish 4-hour frame candle, we didn't have any significant sell pressure. Now we have a little bit more. This is an identification that we probably are going to correct a little bit, right? Sooner or later we will probably correct, okay, but we want to identify top. So here we are in the minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, 13.7 guys, and we want to see actually if we can make the support level, this as support level, if we will eventually go into our next, the 16.4. Okay, so these are our price targets, and in case guys you want to see actually the support levels, if this is a top right here and you want to see the support levels in which the AXS might stop afterwards, I will do the opposite, right? I will just go from this bottom right now to the top we are. Okay, and you can see that we are having this as a support level. You can see that the 10.911 USDT, and we have some more as support levels in case we correct and we go down, right? So therefore these are our main price support levels and resistance levels. Okay, so for now the volume is going higher and higher. You can see that the volume is increasing all the time, and you can see the MACD on the 4-hour frame. Nothing to discuss here. Higher lows, higher highs guys. The blue line is above the signal line. It is looking great, right? So definitely this is what an impulsive wave looks like guys. You can see that. Let's go to the RSI a little bit and the commodity channel index. You can see on the RSI this is the pattern of the impulsive wave. Our highest is above the 70 for the RSI, and our lowest guys is around 60, 50, around there. You can see that we follow a pattern like this on the impulsive waves, so the risk metrics don't actually work. Okay, the workaround here, you might want to identify when you get in, if you want to trade and get in again, trade and get in again. But of course you can see that from the moment we were above the 70, we should expect in any normal market to go even lower, right? But in an impulsive wave this doesn't happen. Same here for the commodity channel index. We are above the 100 level, above the 26, around there, 25, you can see that. And on the commodity channel index we are just having this pattern following the same as the RSI. Stochastic RSI though is more sensitive to the price action. That's why we are having the bottoms and the tops all the time, right? You can see that they're so sensitive to the price action even more than the commodity channel index. And it is a great way, stochastic RSI is great of identifying the bottoms in an impulsive wave, right? It is a great tool to identify the bottoms in an impulsive wave. Okay, so for now we are making the 20-day MA as support level. Now we are having so much distance between the 20-day MA and the price, you can see that, and the more the distance, the more the risk, as you know. So eventually, guys, you can see on the daily frame we had a buying opportunity according to the SSL HYBRID, the indicator we use in our technical analysis. We had here a buying opportunity, and you can see that we had the blue arrow going on here, and we don't have yet a selling opportunity. So good job, SSL HYBRID. You managed to find a very good buying opportunity for AXS. And of course, if I open the Bollinger Bands, you will see that we are moving along the top line of the Bollinger Bands, and we don't care because basically, guys, you can see here as well. Let me show you. In a normal market, when we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we correct. When we approach the bottom line, we just go upwards. But you can see in an impulsive wave, we just don't care. We are going all the way at the top line of the Bollinger Bands, right? We are going along the top line of the Bollinger Bands. So here on the daily, you can see the RSI has gone crazy, guys. It is above the 70, and of course commodity channel index is way above the 100 for quite some time right now, from 30 June, and the MACD is like, the blue line has grown significantly higher than the signal line, and it has gone some further distance, right? And you can see the stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation as well. So everything seems like this impulsive wave, of course, is going a little bit crazy. You can see that AXS, guys, Bitcoin chart, you can see that we are now in an impulsive wave as well. How could we not be? Because to get there, guys, to get there in the USDT valuation, you have to outperform Bitcoin, and therefore you can see that all the risk metrics agree that we are in an impulsive wave, the RSI, and even if you check the price, guys, you will realize that how much further have we grown, right? If we see this lowest as our point, guys, and I just have the price range, you will see we are upwards 30, 120, 300 actually, and 21%, right? This is for X upwards, okay? Because 100% is 2x, or 200% is 3x, so 300% is 4x upwards. It is crazy, and you can see the MACD very good. On the daily frame, we have the same for AXS Bitcoin chart. We have the same. The daily RSI is above the 70, above the 140 commodity channel index. You can see the stochastic RSI is at the top right now, and it is going on for quite some time. And of course, guys, we have a very high risk. We know that. The point is if we can identify the top, right? Because for me, guys, if I was watching my analysis, if I was just going on from this bottom, from the previous bottom to the previous high we formed back on 5 April, I would say that the next price target is there. In case we just make this as support level, we have the 13.85 around there as a resistance level, guys. It is like the T-fuel. If T-fuel goes up, it goes to 80 cents, okay? But now the minus 0.236 is around here. If I wanted to find another way, I would just have the Fibonacci extension. If I wanted to find the top, I would just use the trend-based Fibonacci extension from this bottom to this top to the bottom we formed before the impulsive wave. And according to that, we are at the 2.618 right now. So guys, we might have found a very strong resistance level for now, and you should be careful, right? But in case, guys, we make the minus 0.236 as support level, then it is pretty possible to go even to 16.5 Tether USD. If you are late in the train, guys, if you are late in the hype train, just wait a little bit. If you just start noticing the impulsive wave, it is great idea to buy around here. On the start of an impulsive wave, you will realize that we are going quick upwards, and of course not due to any listing on the Binance on the coin or the Coinbase, right? And you can see that we are going upwards all the way. We are finding small corrections upwards, small corrections, you can see all the way. Now I want to see if the 13 is the top. If it is, guys, I will draw another Fibonacci retracement, and I will draw another Fibonacci retracement to identify, guys, now the support right here. So I will draw from here, around here, to this top right there. And so you can see the support levels that we want to hold is the 11, is the 9.3, and of course the 8 USDT around there, the 9.3, 9.2, 26, the 8 around there, 7.86. And of course, guys, if we dropped and correct from here, then you realize that we have these as support levels. And of course, our major support level, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, the 6.5. Okay, so definitely, guys, you should wait right now. In case we make the 13.9, we will go to 16 probably. 0.67 around there. You can see that it is our minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, the 16.67. Okay, so for now everything works fine. The Fibonacci retracements are working perfectly. So maybe this is a top we need to be careful about, right? It is very hard to identify, guys, the top, but I'm just trying to help you right there in case we correct to find the major support levels to just rebuy, or the price targets for our next when we just hit the top, right? Because we might have hit the top, right? And because we might be actually close to the top. Because as you can see, this 4-hour frame candle, guys, we had small sell pressure. Now in this we had some huge sell pressure, more sell pressure, not huge sell pressure, guys, but you can see that we are getting a bit to the top. We are finding probably the top. On the 4-hour frame, we don't have yet, yes, we have a little bit bearish divergence when at 4 July we had a higher RSI. Now we are having, actually, sorry guys for that, now we are having a lower, I don't know why I got that, yeah, here we go. Now we are having a lower RSI, so therefore we might be experiencing a bearish divergence in the RSI. That means, guys, lower highs on the RSI, higher highs in the price valuation. Now we want to make sure that if AXS, guys, just corrects from Bitcoin chart, then it will follow Bitcoin, and eventually we will depend so much on Bitcoin right there. Okay, because for Bitcoin, if we correct for AXS Bitcoin chart, then we will depend so much on Bitcoin, and even if Bitcoin goes upwards, we might be going downwards. So you have to be careful for now. If you guys have profits around there, if you have bought around here or around there, I would suggest you to just sell a 50% for now of your investment, and in case we make this as support level, then you hold the 50%. The other 50% you have made a very nice profit, and book your profits before it is too late, right? Of course, I'm not saying that we might not go further above. I'm just saying that according to my price analysis and my technical analysis, we have found probably the top. We are very close to the top right there. So definitely, guys, this is the price analysis and the price prediction, the technical analysis that you liked. If you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe. Also join our monthly subscription and our Telegram group chat. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Stay safe and stay positive. Bye.